Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. With me, Feifei.
And me, Roy.
We may sound a little different. That's because we're not able to record in our normal studios during the coronavirus outbreak. Roy, have you heard about Rob?
No. What about Rob?
Well, you know that Rob's been wearing a long-sleeve t-shirt recently. It's because the other night he went out with some friends. Well, he lost a dare and now he's got a tattoo of a panda on a skateboard on his arm.
Feifei, he's probably really embarrassed about that. You shouldn't gossip.
I'm not. But you always love it when I spill the tea.
You spilt some tea while recording. That's dangerous when we're surrounded by laptops and microphones.
No, Roy. Spilling the tea means to gossip. I'm going to spill the tea some more right after these examples.
I shouldn't spill the tea, but have you heard that Bob and Susan are dating? Come on, spill the tea. Tell me what you know about Derek. I'll spill the tea. There's going to be a huge party and no one has invited Peter.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the expression spill the tea, which means to gossip.
So come on, Feifei, spill the tea. You know everything that happens in the office. How did you know about Rob's tattoo?
I'll never reveal my sources. Well, okay, it was Neil.
I can't believe you told me that. You gave up your source so easily.
You asked, so I told you. I'm just really honest.
Well, Feifei, I have a surprise for you. You know that Neil told you that Rob has a new tattoo?
Yes?
Well, Feifei, Rob hasn't really got a panda on a skateboard tattoo. We created the story to see if you'd spill the tea. Rob would never do something so silly.
That's not fair. Bye, Roy.
Bye.